Charlotte! Nice! One more time. That looked a little dangerous. Well, come. No. Go. Oh, why don't we take that little top part down? Okay.
I don't know who you are. Okay, that wasn't good.
Say the line shot.
I don't know who you are. I stole your car.
Yes, Charlotte, don't lie. Isn't that your line, Jake? You and who?
Just me. Jared has awesome.
You gotta share. Say what the line is, Jake.
I don't know who you are, but I stole your car.
See, kid, just, this is the dirt. Over there's the water with the ice. Charlotte, that's looking dangerous. Do it one more time.